honey sriracha, glazed salmon. What's up with it, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, in the place, in your face. And today, family, we got another delicious recipe. Something a little more classier than normal, but it's always delicious over here, baby. You dig? So how about let's do us some honey glazed sriracha salmon with some sauteed asparagus with some lemon, garlic, oil. Yeah, sounds good, is good. Now let's get to it, baby. Yeah.
Now let's go ahead and get our asparagus in a pot of boiling water. Make sure you throw some salt in that water. And we're gonna blanch them for like 5 to 6, 7 minutes. And when they come out, if you can move them like that and you can squeeze them, they mean they done. Go ahead and drop them in the ice bath. Let's work on our sauce. We're gonna add us some sriracha, some honey, some sesame seed oil, and we're gonna hit it with that rice vinegar and some soy sauce, baby. And that's that minced ginger. Let's go ahead and mix that up. Get everything combined. Taste for likeness. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our salmon. We're gonna season it with just some salt and pepper. That's all we need. It's gonna bring out that flavor. Salt and pepper. And make sure you get salt and pepper on both sides. So flip them over just like this right here. And we're gonna do what we did on the other side. Just season it with that salt and pepper, baby, till it look like that. Oh yeah, it's perfectly seasoned right there. That's perfectly seasoned. Let's go ahead and get some oil in our pan. For the city salmon off, baby. Get some oil in our pan. We're gonna allow it to heat. And now let's drop that salmon in there. Let's go one. Let's get the other one in there. Two. We're not gonna overcrowd our pan, so we're just gonna cook these two. We're gonna come back and cook the last one later. Alrighty. That's what we want right there. Get us a good sear, just like that. Get them flipped over. Let's check out the other one. See what we got on the other one. Oh yeah, that one got a good sear too. There it is right there. My salmon is seared on both sides. Let's get it out. There we go. Check us out. Check us out. It's that salmon, baby. All right, now we're gonna add our sauce to that same pan. We're gonna place our salmon in it. There we go. Make sure you reduce your heat. Make sure you reduce your heat to medium low. And we're just gonna baste our salmon with this delicious sriracha sauce, baby. Sriracha honey sauce, that is, baby. Delicious. And just gonna baste it, baby. Just make sure we get it all basted, all covered. There we go. Let's keep on adding on to it. Let's keep on adding on to it. Let's go ahead and flip them. There we go. Get them all flipped over. There we go. 3. Yeah. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to baste these as well. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. Get that flavor all on it. That flavor all on it. All in it. Just like that, baby. Oh, yeah. Check us out. Check us out. Honey glazed sriracha salmon, baby. All right, let's go ahead and we're gonna bias cut our asparagus, as you can see right here. Unless you want to leave them whole, you can leave them whole if you want to, but I'm just gonna bias cut mine, and we're gonna saute them. Let's get them in a bowl. There we go. And I got some lemon garlic oil I whipped up, so let's go ahead and get us about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons lemon garlic oil. Hit it with some kosher salt, some coarse black pepper. Give it a flip, give it a shake, give it a toss. Let's get it in a hot skillet. No oil needed because your asparagus are already covered with your oil. Lemon garlic oil, that is. So we're just going to saute these for about 3 to 4 minutes. Get a little char on them. Just like that. Yeah. There we go. Just like that. All right. Gonna make sure we got a little char on them. Make sure they tender like we like them. And that's how we like them. Just like that, baby. And there it is, y'all. Honey glazed sriracha salmon with asparagus with lemon garlic oil.
All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious honey glazed sriracha salmon, y'all. Yeah, check us out. Check us out. Oh, check that out, baby. Delicious. Got them tender, well flavored asparagus on there. Got that perfectly cooked salmon with that honey glazed sriracha sauce. So let's taste it, baby. Let's taste it. Ooh, there we go. Nice and flaky. That's that salmon, baby. On point. Got that nice, sweet Asian flavor with that little kick on the back end. Delicious salmon, baby. Let's get these sauteed asparagus. Look at that. Dripping sauce everywhere, baby. We dripping sauce, baby. We dripping sauce. We dripping sauce. Yeah. Honey sriracha, glazed salmon with sauteed asparagus and lemon garlic oil. That's it right there, baby. All right, family, that is it. That is all. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, y'all. Hit the like button, y'all. Share it with your people. Make sure you got the notification bell on so you know what we doing, when we doing it, because that boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, baby. Whoo. I'm gone.